Hello everyone, welcome back. There are 12 verb tenses in English. This video will teach you about the 3 continuous verb tenses. Present continuous, past continuous, and of course, future continuous. Another name for this verb tense is progressive. Present continuous is a verb tense used for actions happening right now. It is raining now. I am running in the park. We are building a house. We can see the be verb and the ing added make it a present continuous. This is happening. The action started in the past and it might continue into the future. It's happening at the present moment. Past continuous is a verb tense used for things that were happening at a moment in the past, of course. It was raining at 4 p.m., that moment. I was running in the park at sunrise. We were building a house in 2019 at that time. This was happening. My friends were always fighting. This can also be used for things like habits or things that happened a lot. It was happening at a specific moment. Future continuous is a verb tense used for things that will be happening at a moment in the future. It will be raining when I arrive at that moment. I will be running at 2 p.m. at that time. We will be building as soon as we save money. This will be happening. I will be enjoying the beach next week in the future. It will be happening at a specific moment. And now for a very quick review. Past continuous, happening at a moment in the past. They were cooking dinner. I was riding my bike. We can change these to present continuous if they're happening right now. They are cooking dinner. I am riding my bike. And we can change them to a future continuous for moments happening at a moment in the future. They will be cooking dinner. I will be riding my bike. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you next time.